Consider the given figure. Use two methods to find the value of angle x. For regular polygons, the formula for the interior angle is the product of 180 degrees and n all divided by n, where n equals to the number of side of the polygon. For the green polygon, n equals 9 sides. Thus, interior angle is 180 degrees multiply by 9 minus 2 all divided by 9, which is equals to 140 degrees. For the blue polygon, n equals 6 sides. Thus, interior angle is equals 120 degrees. We need to make some construction to find the value of angle x. Label B, C and D, join line C, D such that line C, D bisect the blue regular hexagon. Line B, D, is a transversal line that subtends angle 60 degrees each in the base of the two different regular polygons. These angles are corresponding angles. Label point E and draw a perpendicular line from it to the red line such that 140 degrees equals the sum of 90 degrees and 50 degrees. This implies that angle B equals the sum of 40 degrees, x and 60 degrees, which equals to 140 degrees. Solve for x and we have that x equals 40 degrees after simplification. Therefore, x equals 40 degrees. Second method. Label point Q and draw a perpendicular line from it to the red line. Also, label G and join line D, G. Consider a regular pentagon. Its boundary or region is indicated by two arrows. The sum of interior angles of pentagon is 180 degrees multiply by 5 minus 2 all divided by 5, which equals 540 degrees. This implies that the sum of 60 degrees, 80 degrees, 240 degrees, 120 degrees and x equals to 540 degrees. Simplify and make x the subject of the formula, and we have that x equals 540 degrees minus 500 degrees, which equals to 40 degrees. Therefore, x equals 40 degrees.